Mastering the marketing triad, real world, paid, and social media strategies. In the dynamic landscape of marketing, a holistic approach that seamlessly integrates real world paid advertising and social media strategies is the key to achieving unparalleled success. Let's delve into 3 potent strategies for each realm, unraveling the secrets to a comprehensive marketing blueprint. Real-world marketing strategies. 1. Experiential events and activations. In the age of digital saturation, real-world experiences hold immense value. Hosting experiential events and activations not only creates a memorable brand impression, but also fosters a tangible connection with your audience. 2. Local partnerships and collaborations. Forge alliances with local businesses, influencers, or community groups. Collaborative ventures not only expand your reach, but also enhance your brand's credibility and relatability within specific target markets. 3. Guerrilla marketing tactics. Think outside the conventional advertising box with guerrilla marketing. Creative and unconventional tactics such as flash mobs, street art, or interactive installations can generate buzz, capturing the attention of your audience in unexpected ways. Paid advertising strategies. 1. Targeted PPC campaigns. Optimize your pay-per-click PPC campaigns by honing in on specific keywords and demographics. Tailoring your ads to a well-defined audience ensures that your investment yields maximum engagement and conversions. 2. Retargeting and remarketing. Leverage the power of retargeting to re-engage users who have previously interacted with your brand. Customized ads based on user behavior enhance brand recall, nurturing leads through the conversion funnel. 3. Native advertising integration. Seamlessly integrate your ads into the user experience by adopting native advertising. By aligning with the look and feel of the platform, native ads enhance user engagement and foster a more natural connection with your audience. Social media advertising strategies. 1. Storytelling through visual content. Capitalize on the visual nature of social media by weaving compelling stories through images and videos. Visual content not only grabs attention, but also communicates your brand message in a concise and impactful manner. 2. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers whose audience aligns with your target demographic. Influencer collaborations bring authenticity and credibility to your brand, leveraging the trust that influencers have cultivated with their followers. 3. Data-driven ad campaigns. Harness the power of data analytics to inform your social media ad strategies. Analyze user behavior, preferences, and engagement metrics to refine and optimize your campaigns, ensuring that every dollar spent delivers tangible results. Conclusion. In the intricate dance of marketing, a harmonious fusion of real-world paid advertising and social media strategies creates a symphony that resonates with your audience. Whether it's forging connections through experiential events, refining PPC campaigns for laser-focused targeting, or telling captivating stories on social media, the key lies in adaptability, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience. As you navigate the ever-evolving marketing landscape, remember that the most potent strategies are those that seamlessly blend the tangible and the digital, creating an immersive brand experience that transcends channels.